pop on the passenger front as well.
And then she'll get that one tire.
She's sliding left too.
How much air does she have in her tires?
A lot.
Alright, bud, love you.
If it was 12 this morning, it might be 15 now at the end of the day. I might think it's good for 5,000.
Holy shit, that's not a good place to be standing, buddy. You're gonna drop, Ange.
Don't move.
She's gonna drop. She ain't gonna catch that clutch that fast. That is not a safe place to be.
It's fine because she's low, but she's trying to like he did. You know how you just
Good.
his.